Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to Connie's Cooking Channel. Hope you're having a wonderful day. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Today we are making a chicken sandwich, and we have chicken thighs in that dish that's already been washed and cleaned. We have 2 eggs that's beaten. These are the ingredients that we will be using today: oregano, Cajun seasoning, celery, rosemary, thyme, white pepper down there, lemon and pepper, onion powder, accent, black pepper. Of course, we need some vegetable oil to fry the chicken. I also use some Tabasco sauce. We have Italian seasoning, basil, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, and paprika. Now over here, I actually have my flour, cornstarch, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, accent, and black pepper. And I think I put a little bit of celery seed in here if I'm not mistaken as well. But of course you can season it to your liking. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this chicken and all these seasonings mixed in together and into the frying pan. I'll see you back shortly. These are our chicken thighs. We're going to start seasoning. Let's start with our oregano. And of course, you can use whatever seasonings that you want to use. I really don't have any set measurements. The celery seed. The first thing I used was oregano. It's a little bit of Cajun seasoning. I don't want to over season it because I do have the flour seasoned as well.
Some accent in there. Onion powder. A little bit of paprika. This is just for color. Cayenne pepper. Garlic powder. And I may have to add more seasoning if I get this all mixed in. Just want to play it by ear for right now. Basil. The chicken sandwiches are so popular, and I don't have a Popeyes close to me. So, I'm going to make do. This is white powder. White pepper I'm pouring on there now.
So we don't have a Popeyes close to us, so I'm making my own chicken sandwich at home. The closest Popeyes is about 2 hours away from me.
That's fine, y'all. I'm using in there. There's a little bit of rosemary. Of course, you can use, like I said, whatever you want. And I'm going with the lemon pepper. And then black pepper.
I'm not going to use the Italian seasoning in this one because I already used it in the flour mix. Now I'm going to wash my hands. I'll be right back. Okay, my hands have been washed. I do have the frying pan on the burner right now. We want the temperature to be 350. Let's go ahead and mix this in very well. That's the right amount of seasonings right there. Perfect. Of course, if you want to use gloves, you may use gloves. Just going to mix these seasonings in very well. So that's how that chicken is looking. How about that? It is seasoned. Now, of course, if you wanted to set it in some buttermilk, you may do that. That is definitely your option. So that is a seasoned chicken. I did add another egg just to be on the safe side. Give this some mixed here.
Blend that in very well. You do have seasonings in here.
I'm just going to taste it just to see how it tastes. I'm just going to use my hands, you guys. Lay this mixed chicken in there into the flour. And we're going to make sure we coat it very well on both sides. Again, if you want to use gloves, feel free to use gloves. It's up to you. Now, we're going to shake this off. Shake that flour off. Shake, 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 shake. We're going to place it in there. Okay? And we're just going to repeat this process until it's all done. Now I'm going to get a fork. I'm going to turn this over, let it coat both sides. Now what we're going to do is dump this back into that batter, okay? We are going to double dip this. Going to let this egg drop off of here. This is the longest process of this, really. And we're just going to place it back in there I'm gonna grab this piece and do the same thing. Let's coat this again and then set it on that plate over there, okay? Yeah, I know I normally don't fry no food that often, but we are gonna fry some chicken today because I have a taste for this chicken sandwich everybody been talking about. So I decided to make me a chicken sandwich today. That's what we're having. Now we're back for round 2. This is the last batch. I did add some more flour, cornstarch, and the seasonings in here. We have 4 more pieces and we are done. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are ready to get this party started. Let's see if the grease is hot enough. When it makes that noise and that sizzling, that means it's ready. So let's take our first piece and lay it in there. So I can get it off of this. There we go. We're going to cook these about 10 to 15 minutes. Now, don't overcrowd your frying pan, okay? This is fish juice right here. All right. Now, we're not going to touch it. We're going to let it cook just like that. And I have the temperature on number 3 on my stove. This is going to be delicious. Yes, yes, yes. Now, as you notice, the grease now stop cooking, which means this chicken is done. Look at that. Does that not look good? Does that not look good? I have the first batch done, so I'm working on the second batch. As you notice, I did switch frying pans so I can get more in there. This chicken really smells good. I'm glad I used all the seasonings that I did. It smells delicious. Now on this one, I do have the fire turned on number 5, so it's cooking decently. So we're gonna go ahead and let this batch cook. Once it's done, I'm gonna show you the finished product, and then we're ready to sample it. So I'll see you back in about 10 minutes. Well, okay, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, I've taken out some pieces of chicken because I had to prepare it for dinner. But this is the finished product. Does that not look good? I mean, I can't wait to taste it. I'm about to make a sandwich for you guys, and we're about to sample this, okay? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to use some brioche bread, okay? That works well. I have me some lettuce. I have pickles, okay? And I have some mayo. and I have a piece of cheese. This is how I'm gonna make my spicy chicken sandwich. Now you can heat this up if you want to. It's really up to you. I'm gonna use some mayo. Now I'm using regular lettuce. If you want to use that butter lettuce, it's kind of expensive around here. Feel free to do that. Use as little or as much mayo as you like. It's your sandwich. You're gonna be the one eating it. Okay, so that's enough mayo for me. I may take a little bit more. Okay, so this is my mayo, and now I'm going to add my pickles and lettuce. Let me get the lettuce on here first. And again, you can use as little or as much of this as you want. And get a slice of cheese. This is going to be delicious. I'm going to get some pickles on here. Again, however you like to season yours, so how many pickles you want to put on yours is fine. I think I'm going to get one more pickle on here. As such, put the mayo up. Done with that. And now we are ready for our piece of chicken. Doesn't that look delicious? Ooh, yes, Lordy. Voila! There you have it. There you have it. Does that not look delicious? Look at that. This is going to be delicious. Oh my. Does that not look good? Ooh, yes. Now, you know, I have to get some hot sauce. Yeah, I know I love me some hot sauce, so I'm just gonna grab some of my hot sauce I grabbed from a local store around here. And then we're gonna put this on top. Ooh, smash that like that. Does that not look delicious? Oh my, look at that sandwich. Oh, let me slice it up for you. Does that sandwich not look delicious? Oh, yes. Now, of course, you can have whatever you want with yours. I'm eating mine as is tonight. Whew, it's falling off the bun, y'all. And there you have it. My spicy chicken that's been fried. I want a copycat off of Popeyes. My baby said this chicken's on fire, y'all. So let's bite into it. See how it tastes. I have to get my lettuce in because I haven't had any vegetables today, so I'm eating lettuce. Well, there you are. I just want to show you my face because I haven't seen you guys for such a long time. I'm gonna bite into this sandwich again, okay? You got a bite? Oh, look at that. Oh, I hope you get a bite of it. You get a bite? Can you get it? Oh, does that, like, oh, that looks so delicious. Mm. This chicken is good, y'all. It's good. The only thing I'm missing is jalapeno peppers. Yeah, I know I love me some spicy food, so this is so delicious, y'all. I don't know about y'all. Y'all need to try this. With all the ingredients I used, perfect. I'm telling y'all, it's perfect. Now, it's not overly spicy. Don't get me wrong. It just has enough kick in there to let you know some cayenne peppers in there, but it's not overpowering. Okay, so if you haven't done so already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so you'll be notified on my next upload. And if you don't mind, like the video if you liked it, share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to leave your comment below so I'll know what you think about this video. Try the recipe and let me know what you think. Again, God bless you and have a wonderful evening. See you next upload.